right, welcome. I'm glad that you're here. I am going to be doing a guided meditation from the Renew Workbook and then using the card deck to look at the blocks that may come up in this meditation, and then you can go and journal on it when you're done. So I'm going to have you find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. And you consider lie down, just be comfortable, and close your eyes and begin to pay attention to your breath. Inhale and exhale, letting go of all tension. Now bring your awareness to your heart center. Bring it down from your head and your thinking center to your heart, and place your hand there if it feels right. And with each breath, feel a sense of warmth and presence building within you. Now imagine a soft golden light glowing in your heart space. This light holds your soul's purpose, pure, loving, and true. You don't need to figure it out. You just need to allow it to shine. And ask yourself, what am I here to offer the world? What brings me joy and feels like home? Let images, feelings, or words arise without judgment, and trust what comes, even if it's subtle. Your soul is speaking. Listen quietly. What am I here to offer the world? What brings me joy and feels like home? As you reflect on these questions, breathe this light up into your mind to illuminate it. And now breathe this light down into your belly and throughout your whole body, illuminating your entire presence. Let it fill you with peace and possibility. And stay in this space for a few more breaths. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and write down anything you saw, felt, or sensed. Even a single word is a seed. And for some, there may be a block preventing you from understanding what it is you're here to offer the world, or what feels like home or brings you joy. So I'll use the card deck to bring up one card that can help open you up to the new possibilities as you reflect on these questions. I am allowing the cards to shuffle let the quick draw choose what is needed for your soul's journey. And it reveals that the greatest need at this time is respect, inspiration for action. So put your hand on your heart and repeat, I forgive myself for believing that I have to please others in order to be valued. And take a deep breath. I am valued when I am authentic and true. And breathe. I am free to be honest with myself and others. And breathe. This is about your self-worth. So say, I love and see beauty in myself. And breathe. I am respectful. And breathe. Now take some time to journal on the feelings and inspirations that came to you during this meditation, and take them with you through the rest of the week. And I'll see you next week.